When navigating the waters, understanding Rule 8, action to avoid collision, is crucial for ensuring safety at sea. This rule emphasizes the importance of taking proactive measures to prevent collisions between vessels. It's not just about knowing the rules, it's about applying them effectively in real-time situations. First, let's break down what Rule 8 entails. Essentially, it requires vessels to take action to avoid collisions when the risk of a collision exists. This can involve altering course, changing speed, or even stopping altogether. The key here is to make these adjustments in a timely manner, ensuring that they are clear and decisive. Now, there are different types of actions you can take. If you're on a collision course with another vessel, the first step is to assess your options. You might choose to alter your course to starboard or port, depending on the situation. However, it's important to remember that small changes can sometimes lead to dangerous outcomes. For instance, a slight turn might not be enough to avoid a collision if the other vessel is also making adjustments. This is why clear communication and understanding the intentions of other vessels are vital. Let's consider a real-life example. Imagine you're on a sailboat and you spot a large cargo ship heading directly towards you. You have to act quickly. If you decide to turn to port, but the cargo ship is also adjusting its course, you could find yourself in a precarious situation. In this case, it's often safer to slow down and allow the larger vessel to pass, ensuring that you maintain a safe distance. Best practices for Rule 8 include keeping a proper lookout and maintaining situational awareness. Always be aware of your surroundings and the actions of nearby vessels. Use radar and AIS, automatic identification system, to track other ships and predict their movements. This technology can provide critical information that helps you make informed decisions. Another important aspect is to communicate effectively. If you're in a situation where you need to take action, signaling your intentions can help prevent misunderstandings. Use sound signals or visual signals to indicate your maneuvers, especially in low visibility conditions. In summary, Rule 8 is all about taking the right actions to avoid collisions. It's about being proactive, aware, and communicative. By understanding the types of actions you can take, recognizing the dangers of small changes, and learning from real-life scenarios, you can navigate the waters safely and confidently. Remember, the goal is to ensure that everyone returns home safely, and that starts with you.